Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just want to do a quick recap of what we did on Luisa's channel on My Crafty Boutique Co. here on YouTube. We worked again in our junk journals, and this is the journal that I was working in today. I'm not going to go sharing everything. I'm just going to show you what I added into my junk journal. So I had some photos on my phone I wanted to print out and put into this particular journal. I started this with my flowers from Valentine's Day, and then I have here my sons, my two boys. We spent one of our spring break days going to breakfast and going out to the mall. So I put that in there and I added some journaling. It's one of the journaling cards from Luisa's Digital. I also added some photos from my anniversary this year. This was our 27th anniversary, and my husband took me out to a concert and some flowers and dinner for our anniversary. Not a concert, a comedy show. I'm sorry, Joe Coy. Joe Coy is a comedian, Filipino comedian, and oh boy, I had fun. I forgot to print out my digital ticket. You know, I asked my husband to send it to me so I could print it out. So the next page, this is for Mother's Day here this year, and we made this in a previous live. This is the envelope, modified or altered envelopes. And I added my pictures of my flowers, and this year was the first time I ever received tulips, and I thought this would be perfect on these little postcards, also from Luisa's Digital Kits. So these are the tulips, and I just put a little bit of journaling on there. And this is another bouquet of tulips. So I got two kinds of tulips this year. One that were yellow and red, and one were yellow. And then my oldest son came home with some red roses for me and some other gifts. I just forgot to print it, and it was just a time crunch. I'm going to print it out anyway and then add it in here. This is one of the gifts that my son had gifted me. It's the little Incredible Hulk plushie. And this little thing here is the Mother's Day card that he had got me, and it has a pin. It's Wonder Woman, and you can remove that. And he had me wearing this on Mother's Day, all day. And so underneath here is the plastic that they wrap the tulips in. So I just cut a piece of it out and just glued it on the background there. So that's what I did in our junk journal today. I don't think I did anything else. I think that was mostly, yeah, that was all of it actually. So yeah, just really wanted to work in our junk journal and get back on our live, programs. So that's what I did. Oh, I love these. I love these. Printing out my photos of our flowers that my family sends me or gives gifts to me, and putting it in here just feels a lot better. So these are more photos that I wanted to put in. This is actually from my anniversary, so this one will go in here also. Oh no, there's the next one. This one right here. I'm just gonna go put it right there, or right here. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm gonna put these in my junk journal later. But I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys, if you know, you know. I go live with Luisa on her channel every Wednesday when we have the chance. It used to be pretty regular, but right now her work schedule is kind of, a little broken up, I guess. So until she could get a normal schedule, it just depends. So please, when you go over to Luisa's channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because that will let you know when we go live on her channel. and also when she loads new videos. Same with my channel. When I go live here, if you have that notification bell hit, that will let you know when we go live. So again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel to grow. And I appreciate you all. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.